Hello and welcome to Goa 365's News Now. I am Subhashish and these are the headlines. Transport Director refuses to address opposition's issue in the presence of media. Walks out after media refuses to budge. Swachh Bharat Nital Goy takes a backseat at Shapora's Dabalwada. Locals continue to grapple with the foul smell after authorities hastily clean up garbage after viral video. Low pressure area over Arabian Sea remains active, but winds from north blows moisture away from Goa. Rest of this week to go by dry. And now for the news in detail. Is the State Transport Department trying to hide something? Is the Transport Director trying to shut out the media? Well, in an incident today, the director declined to engage with the opposition over the overtransportation transportation issue in the presence of the media. In fact, walking out. What is the Under Fire Department, already in the news for the huge number of accidents on Goan roads, striving for? Witness how the director evaded the media and departed when the media refused to budge.
So what hardship people are facing today if the officers don't want to address, and you tell us we'll go to the other authority.
See, I have given time to listen to the presentations, but I have not, nowhere I've been informed also that the press is going to come. So I would like to request you that you can speak about your representation, but I have not been informed that the press is coming. So I do not want to conduct my business. See, this is my chamber. So inside my chamber, without my permission, you cannot bring anybody.
No,
so that is.
This is a public. No, so this chamber is not your personal chamber. It is a public chamber. It is not your chamber. You are a servant of people. This is we are not come first time. We have come so many times.
See, this is my kind request.
No, we are not.
This is my kind.
We are requesting.
Ours is also kind request.
We are requesting. You have waited for you. You are given the appointment.
See, I am ready to listen.
You did not honor the even time of the appointment, sir. What you are talking about?
We talk whatever we want to tell you.
Press outside. But my kind request is that
this issue is discussed in the floor of the house. Your chief minister has answered. Your minister is answering. I don't understand why you are afraid of answering in front of the press.
Government or are we making any personal allegations against you? We have some public grievances to you. Press has come
this
on
is
their
not
own.
A personal
We don't invite
press. Come to you. Neither we are. It is about you.
In fact, you can tell people of Goa. Then these are the things beside it.
You mean to say, sir, you are not answerable to people of Goa? Do you mean to say that, sir?
Anything like that.
Then the press is the one through media you are interacting with the people of Goa, isn't it? The entire people cannot come here.
No, please. I can only interact with the these kind of press and all. It's not. We have not been informed. I am ready to listen to your grievances or any issues.
I think this is the first time press hall they will also agree. This is the first time some officer is telling that I will not talk in front of the press.
Yeah, because I have the right to decide like what kind of interaction.
No, you people are not deciding. That's why we had to come here today.
You have not informed me about the fact that the press is going to be present. I am ready to
press come
I'm sorry, I cannot.
No. We are come from. We are the political party, Indian political party, Congress party. We are not.
I'm ready to listen to your grievances.
Listen.
You listen. No,
this is not how it happens. Kindly listen.
Then what will happen?
No, I cannot talk if the media is present.
You want to hide. You want to keep your side safe. There is the people of Goa have been robbed of their rightful money, and you don't want to answer them.
People are there doing whatever they want. This is something nothing.
So why don't you leave from Goa only then if you don't want to face the people of Goa? Leave from Goa.
मगैस्ता आज ये भ्रष्ट सरकार मर्डर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसीचे एक लाइव उदाहरण मगैस्ता पुराय गोंयकारांनी आज पळयलां.
This is an insult to each and every Goan. He might be an IAS officer. That doesn't stop him to answer the questions of what Goans have. Or probably what questions we are going to ask him today. We condemn the act of the Director of Transport that he said he told press literally to get out from his cabin. That means he doesn't want to face the people of Goa. And today we came here to ask a very serious question. Patlai Sani, we had taken a press conference where this department is hand in glove with these crony capitals. आज मुझे आरोप असा या सरकाराचेर की हे crony capitalist पे हा हे जिंदाल, अदानी, वेदांता आणि अगरवाल हे तांच्या डायरेक्शनाचेर हांगा काम करतात.
Dylan Rodrigues, Subhashish Goikar and Nikhil Zalmi for Goa 365.
Moving on, the government's Swachh Bharat Neetal Goy seems to have taken a back seat at Shapora's Dabalwada. After a video of the rampant garbage went viral, authorities were quick to clean up the trash. However, locals are now grappling with the foul smell that persists and fear for the spot to again turn into a garbage zone. Here's more from our reporter Nitiksha Gaonkar on the once popular tourist spot now turned into an eyesore.
सध्या मी असा शापोरा दाबोलवाडा हांगासरलो एक व्हिडिओ व्हायरल जाल्लो की हांगा लोक हाडटा आणि गार्बेज उडयता. ही एक रेसिडेन्शियल एरिया आणि हांगा चडशी गार्बेज हांगा पळोवपाक मेळटा. आयज हांगा तो व्हिडिओ व्हायरल जाल्या उपरांत जो क्लिनलीनस हांगा करपाक जाय, जी गार्बेज कलेक्ट करपाक जाय ती गार्बेज हांगा कलेक्ट केल्ली आसा. पूण परत जर हांगा पळयशात जाल्यार जो घाण वास आसा तो अजूनय थंयच आसा. लोकांची एक मागणी आसा हांगासरल्या की हांगा जी गार्बेज हांगा उडयता जो पॉयंट आसा गार्बेज पॉयंट तो हांगासरलो काडून उडोवचो. कित्याक तर हांगा लोक रावतात, जो घाण वास निर्माण जाता तो लोकांक हांगा सोंसपाक जायना. तशेंच जो उसाचो कचरो आसा तोय लोक हांगा हाडून उडयता. हांगा एक व्हडले वडाचें झाड आसा. हो पयलीं एक ट्युरिस्ट स्पॉट जावन रावलो, सेल्फी पॉयंट. लोक हांगा येताले, योगासना करताले, जे ट्युरिस्ट आसा ते हांगा वाऱ्याक बसताले. पूण आयज जर हांगा पळोवपाक आमी मेळटा ती म्हणजे गार्बेज. लोकांक हांगा येवन गार्बेजीन उबें रावचें पडटा. गार्बेजी वांगडा आतां सेल्फी तांकां काडची पडटली कांय दिसांनी. कित्याक तर अशी रेजिडेन्शियल एरियेन असो गार्बेज आसा ती खंय तरी क्लीन करपाक जाय. हांगासरल्या आमदारा कडेन लोकांनी मागला. तशेंच जो कोण पंच मेंबर आसा तेकाय लोकांनी विनवणी केल्या की हांगासरलो गार्बेज पॉयंट आसा बेगीनच्या बेगीन काडून उडोवचो. कित्याक आयज स्वच्छ अभियान म्हणटात, सुंदर गोंय, नितळ गोंय म्हणटा. पूण हे नितळ गोंय खंय तरी आयज आमकां दिश्टी पडना. लोक गोंयान ट्युरिस्ट येता नितळ गोंय पळोवपाक, पण आयज जर हे ट्युरिस्टांक हांगा कचरो पळोवचो पडटा. पळोवंक शकता की हो गार्बेज ट्रक येयलेलो आसा हांगा कलेक्शनाक. सो तो आतां कलेक्ट करून वयतलो. पूण मातशें आनीक एका वरान तो वयतकूच सगळे जे हे हॉटेल कार आसात किंवा स्मॉल स्मॉल वेंडर्स आसा ते येवन हांगसर पोतयो उडयतले आनी वयतले. ते रातभर उरतात आनी मागीर सकाळचे जे येतात न्ही गार्बेज कलेक्शनाक ते येवन मागीर कलेक्शन जाता. त्या जे रातभर हे अशेंच आसता, घाणी पडलेले आसता, कुत्री येता. मातशें तुमी सांजची लेट येयात न्हू जाल्यार तुमकां बेस्ट व्यू मेळटलो हांगसर. कुत्री, माजरां म्हणूं नाका, बैल, गोरवां सगळीं हांगा भरलेलीं असतात. सो आतां हे आतां भरलेले आसा ते व्हरतले, पूण मागीर ते डबे उमते करून वयतात. पूण मागीर ती सगळीं जाणां गार्बेज वयर धरून नेटाचेर वयतली आनी मागीर ती गोरवां तोंडान काडटात आनी सकयल. मॅडम केन्नाच्यान हे सगळे त्रास जाता? हे 2-2.5 वर्सां जालीं आतां. हे घातलेल्याकूच चालू आसा. आमी समजली की ते 2 डस्टबिनां दवरल्या, सो आमचे कितें भाड्यातले कलेक्शन करतली आनी वयतली म्हणून. पूण हे हळू हळू कितें जालां हांगसर अख्ख्या हेचो हांगा पावता. हॉटेल्स म्हणूं नाका, स्मॉल वेंडर्स म्हणूं नाका, सगळे जाण कलेक्शन हांगसर जाता तेजे. सो हो व्हडलो गार्बेज कलेक्शन पॉयंट जाल्लो आसा. सो
ही आतां गार्बेज जावन हांगासर एक 3 ते 4 वर्सां जाल्लेली हांगासर. की हांगा सगळे कचरो रातचो 11 11:30 12 म्हटल्यार हांगासर रस्त्यार व्हडलो कचरो जाता सगळे
लोक भायले हाडून
उडयता ते म्हणून कितें ह्या वाड्याचे न्हू सगळे भायल्या वाड्याचे येता हो हांगासर गार्बेज झून जाल्लो चड व्हडलो जाल्लो अजून की मागता की न्हू की पंचा कडेन मागता की गार्बेज पावप न्हू ती काडून उडोवची म्हणून ही आमकां नाका हांगासर. फाटल्या दिसांनी हे गार्बेज उडयताले तो जाले मागीर हालीं हे उसू हेंच्यांनी चालू केले हांगा उडोवपाक. हेजो चड वास येता कित्याक हांव म्हणटा तुमी थंय यूज करता न्हू फोटाचेर ते हाडून तुमी आपल्या घरा व्हरून जळयात नाल्यार खंय उडयात न्हू हांगा हाडून उडयतात तो दुसऱ्यांक वास येता आनी कोण नासतना हाडून ते उडयतात काळखान कोण पळयना न्हू तांकां नाल्यार हांगा पंचायतीनी कॅमेरा बसोवपाचे तांकां कोण उडयता ते पळोवन सारकी हळशीक वास येता उसाचो ह्यांग आसले सगळे खाली करपाची इतलीच आमची मागणी आहा.
हाडून उडयता पळय ते हांगासर हाडून उडयता तेंच्यांनी सारकी घाणी पडल्या आतां क्लियर केला मात तो उशीचो रसाचो मातशें ते उडयता पळय वेस्टेज तेजो चड वास येवपाक लागला आतां आनी हे गार्बेज पळय क्लीन करून तेंच्यांनी परतून आनी चड घाणी येवपाक लागल्या सो तेंच्यांनी क्लियर करचें म्हणून सांग.
नितीक्षा गांवकर, मनीष परब and Sanika Nagvekar for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. On Tuesday morning, a chlorine gas leak was reported in the Janjara area of Dehradun, Uttarakhand, causing panic among residents who complained of breathing difficulties. Officials immediately evacuated the residents and moved them to safety. Thankfully, no casualties were reported.
According to Sahaspur MLA Sahdev Singh Pundir, 7 cylinders of chlorine had been stored in an empty plot in the area for some time. He emphasized that the situation could have been much worse, but thanks to the coordinated efforts of the authorities, a major crisis was averted. Following the incident, an investigation was launched to determine the cause of the leak and prevent similar incidents in the future. Residents have been advised to take necessary precautions and follow safety protocols to avoid any harm. Manish Parab and Sanika Nagvekar for Goa 365.
Another earthquake struck Japan on Tuesday afternoon. The Japan Meteorological Agency said the magnitude 6.0 quake struck off the Sea of Japan coast, rattling the same part of the country that was affected by the powerful 7.6 earthquake on New Year's Day. It caused strong shaking, but no tsunami warning has been issued so far.
A few days ago, on New Year's Day, a devastating earthquake of magnitude 7.6 struck Japan's west coast, claiming the lives of 202 people, with 565 others injured, as reported by the government. The impact of this powerful quake led to the widespread destruction of infrastructure, leaving 23,000 homes without power in the Hokuriku region. As rescue and relief efforts persist, the death toll from the New Year's Day quake has surged to 202, with over 100 people still missing. The already challenging situation has been worsened by heavy snowfall, which has hampered ongoing relief operations. Thousands of troops, firefighters and police are tirelessly searching collapsed buildings in the hopes of finding survivors. Throughout the hard-hit Noto Peninsula in the Ishikawa prefecture, authorities are warning of the heightened risk of landslides, with snow adding to the danger. The quake, coupled with wet weather, has already triggered approximately 1,000 landslides in the area. About 18,000 households in the Ishikawa region remain without electricity, while over 66,100 households are without water. The situation is dire for the 28,800 people seeking refuge in government shelters. Many are grappling with insufficient water, electricity and heating, forced to sleep on cold floors. Initial aid efforts providing only a piece of bread and a cup of water per person each day are being challenged by the harsh conditions. The arrival of more substantial aid is gradually enabling facilities to offer hot food cooked in large pots. Srishti Athanikar and Sangeeta Oli for Goa 365.
We shall take another short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Now for some sports news. In a grand ceremony at the Rashtrapati Bhavan, President Draupadi Murmu bestowed the prestigious National Sports Award, the Arjuna Award, upon India's outstanding athletes. Here's more.
The usual August 29 ceremony, dedicated to the legendary Major Dhyan Chand's birth anniversary, was postponed due to the Hangzhou Asian Games held from September 23 to October 8 last year. Among the notable recipients of the Arjuna Award this year were wrestler Antim Pangal, a former junior world champion and bronze medalist at the senior event, boxer Mohammad Hasmuddin, who secured bronze at last year's World Championship, and para-archer Sheetal Devi. Here's a list of the awardees from today's ceremony. Subhashish Govekar and Sanika Nagvekar for Goa 365.
And finally for the weather, rain that started on Monday night continued to Tuesday afternoon, with a few patchy spells in the evening as well. The low pressure zone responsible for this has not yet eased up, but winds are expected to be in our favor, blowing moisture away instead of pulling it in on Wednesday.
We are possibly looking to have elevated temperatures over Wednesday now that the rain has pulled away. High temperatures are forecast to hit 33, and under cloudy skies, the real feel will be close to 40. Not much relief by night either, as the mercury falls to 24. Temperatures will cool off only by the weekend when the low pressure zone is expected to ease up. Dry weather likely to return on 10th. Partly cloudy skies to persist. Haze and light fog expected on 10th. Commuters to stay alert. Maximum and minimum temperatures on Wednesday 33 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius respectively. No alerts issued for boat owners along Goa coast. Bureau Report, Goa 365 with inputs from IMD.
And with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube at Goa365TV. Until next time, take care, stay safe and keep watching Goa 365.